Really, really nice. Crispy, you can see that. Crispy outer coating. It's seasoned to perfection. Hello, Exeter. Welcome back to Food Review Club. We've made the long and very smooth trip, the roads were clear, to Slim Chickens here in Exeter. I've heard big things about this place, but before we get on with this fairly big review, we've got a sponsor. I'll put the logo down here. Hydrovane, your expert self-lay partner. So if you're watching this as a building developer and you need to bring water mains onto your site, look at Hydrovane, and you can start selling your very own Hydrovane Peckham Spring. Shout out to them for sponsoring the page. Right, let's get on with the review. They're based around here, hence why I'm standing outside Slim Chickens right now. Now, Jess, let's lower ourselves down. We have a table slash a bench that's here in Exeter. So Slim Chicken, it is an American style. We just found these on Google today, by the way. And we reached out to them on Instagram, said, are you open? Disclaimer, they follow us already and they sent us a £25 voucher. So we spent the entire budget, was it 25 quid?
£25.40.
What, do we have to pay them 40p?
Yeah.
Did we actually? So this is free food. We all know free food tastes so much better than food you have to pay for. But in all seriousness, disclaimer, we had a £25 voucher from them if we did a review, but we're doing a review anyway. Cool, so I've gone for this 5-on-5 box. So I know what you're thinking, why have you got toast on there? Now that is Texas toast apparently, like a garlic toast variant. We've got some like chicken selects under here.
Tenders, they call
Chicken
them.
tenders, because we're
in America.
Yep, on an Exeter ranch. Chips under there. Some buffalo wings. They've got a good variety of sauces and flavours, by the way. And I've got a double spicy barbecue. We'll whip that out. Burger, sorry. Whip that out after. And Jess, what have you brought me here?
That's a gingerbread shake.
Say again. My painting. Say again. Am I complaining? No, not yet. I haven't had any yet. Has he had my beers already? Am I complaining? We'll find out, my friend. So what is this, Jess?
It's a gingerbread shake.
I don't really like ginger. What were you thinking?
It looked good.
It looked good. It looked good. Is this in a picture on the screen?
It had a nice crumb on top. When was the last time you saw a shake like that?
Okay. Visuals. You've got a lot, lads.
Yeah.
What? Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Do you come here a lot?
First time.
First time. Oh, okay,
time.
cool. That sounded like a pickup line, didn't it? Come here a lot, lads. All right. I'm not sure about this, Jess. Right, come down here. Right, chicken tenders, wings, and my burger. Let's just get in with. I think the toast needs addressing, don't you? So you said it's like a
Texas toast.
I've got to admit, that's banging. That's well good. Come on, you have so much. I'm doing it.
Thanks.
He said it's got a big American theme to this place, and the pictures inside have like these big baskets with chips, your Texas toast, and your chicken in the middle. I love the vibe of it. And chicken on this page lately has been notoriously bad. So let's try one of these tenders. Oh, let's get some sauce. We've got some mango here.
I think that's mango habanero, so I think that'd be
Did
really
you blow
good.
the entire budget on sauces, Jess? Or did they give us the sauces?
No, some of them they did give us.
All right. Mustard. It looks like a cool mustard.
How are you thighs?
I can't try it. Yeah, my thighs are burning. This is a good workout. Slim sauce. So, Jess, is this a chain or franchise that have just come to the UK?
Yeah, I think there's like 5 or 6 maybe around this part of the woods.
All right, cool.
Neck of the woods, sorry.
Here we go then, tenders. Guys, what do you think? It's got a nice coating, not very greasy at all to touch. First impressions. That's really good. That's better than really good. Let's try this mango.
Can we stand up?
Oh, that's spicy mango, by the way.
Yeah, I said it's mango habanero.
What a lad, get him on. Welcome to Exeter. Right, let's talk about these. Like I said when I touched that, not an ounce of grease on that whatsoever. Really, really nice, crispy. You can see that crispy outer coating. It's seasoned to perfection. You've just got that really nice chicken flavour. It's, if you close your eyes and thought of what should good fried chicken taste like, that's kind of it. Wow.
When I go to America, that's basically all I order.
Yeah, they seem to do it well, don't they, Jess?
Yeah.
And by recent events, the British English takeaway scene seems to be doing it really badly. Bold statement, but I'll stand by it. Chips, here we go. Well, I've got a nice dusting in there of herbs, seasons. Seasoning. It's a banging chip as well. Texas toast. Chicken, chips and toast. Slim chickens, bravo. I'll try some of this sauce. This is good. This is really good. How interesting is that? What do you think, Jess? What have you seen?
Yeah, it's like a nice and clean and
Quite basic,
nice stuff.
simple menu.
Yeah, it wasn't
Tenders,
outrageous,
wings,
was it?
chips.
Burgers, all chicken, obviously.
Never know, Jess. Okay. I feel like I want to just like eat the whole lot. We haven't eaten yet today, so I'm hungry, and it's free. This could be a good score. Shock horror. Okay, let's try one of these wings. I thought she said she's going to put some blue cheese sauce in that.
Yeah, I thought so.
Is there blue cheese down there that we're not seeing? Can we just have a little pan down?
I don't think there is.
Get the Hydrovane logo in there as well, just for a little bit. A little pan by the sponsor. There we go. Whoa, there we go. Nice and casual, nice and casual. Right, wings. Here we go. First impressions, not overly huge, don't look massive. But I'm going to hold that against them. Let's give it a go. Buffalo. Haven't had buffalo on the plate for a long time. Not as tender as I'd have hoped for, but the cooking is, the sauce is outrageously good. Kind of got a bit of pull to it, a bit of bite. Do you know what? It's just good. That's just really good. You're not going to win any wing championships at Buffalo.
They're hot.
It's just banging, Jess. Got that warm, sneaky taste to it. Doesn't surprise. Let's come through. I was literally about to say it doesn't surprise you with any heat. Now my tongue is starting to warm up a little bit. Oh wow, really, really cool. Let's have one more bite of this because I'm starving.
No, you got it all. You shouldn't have done that.
It's all up here and all up on my grill.
Yeah.
No serviettes either. Slim chicken. Bravo. Bit of barbecue sauce.
I think you can tell a lot by their barbecue sauce.
Sauces look on point.
Yeah.
Let's try this one. I can't try all the sauces because you've literally ordered about 150 of them. Don't know what that is. Ah,
Is that the slim sauce?
yeah. That tastes like your paprika fries. Peri peri paprika, creamy, delicious, fresh, zingy, zangy. Wow. All right, I'm gonna try and sneak in another tender without you guys knowing.
Just get the burger down here.
How long are we at?
9 minutes.
Must speed up, must speed up. So this is my burger. What is this one again, Jess? Double spicy.
Double spicy double barbecue or something.
Here we go. Yeah? Is this a, should I just straight up Zoolander this shit? Ready? For my thumbnail, Derek Zoolander, you ready? Okay. Yeah?
Yeah.
Just Derek Zoolander in the shit out of this stuff. All right, cool. So let's come in here. This bun on top. Bun police. Bun watch. Yeah, look, it's fallen to pieces, but it's been in, I suppose.
Yeah, it has
it's
been
been wrapped up, I suppose.
Looks
Massive piece of chicken now, stacked on top of another massive piece of chicken.
She did say it's chicken breast.
This is chicken breast now, is it?
Yeah.
So what this is a chuffing handful. Look at that. Come and have a good close up of that. Wow. Whoa.
Give a little spin.
Ah, jeez. Oh man. How is this even a job? Like literally incredible. If you like slim chicken, if you love American chicken, give this video a share. Spread the love of this video. I want to dive in now for a quick one. It's just banging. This is just right up my alley. You know what? I made a right mess of that. I don't know what I was expecting. No napkins. Is it over my face? Badly.
No, you're fine.
Saw my hands badly. I don't know what I was expecting. With this to be like a really commercial place with low standards. It does feel very commercial. It's obviously got a few sites about them, but we are about finding hidden gems and local hotspots. I don't think there's anything wrong with going to these people like this if the locals ain't delivering the goods. This is legit. It's well nice. I've got flavours, I've got spices, I've got seasoning, I've got funky little sauces, and I've got a random milkshake.
Yummy.
My drink watch. That's a good one. Slim chicken. So this is gingerbread milkshake. That's the thickest. That is thick AF. Wow. That tastes like a really, really thick ice cream milkshake. They've made that of ice cream. Look, come have a look at this. Look at that. My gingerbread on top, not too overpowering. Slim chickens. That's clucking good, that was. Love that. Right. Time for a score. Here we have it. All this up here. Simple, fresh, vibrant menu. Price point on this. How much was the 5 and 5? So 5 wings, 5 tenders. About 12 quid on it.
I think it was £14.
£14. So price point, probably pushing a little bit, but you could share that. Slash, probably not. I absolutely loved it. Brilliant. Finally, some good chicken back on the page. I'm actually like really pumped about it. Congratulations to Slim Chicken. I'm gonna give these guys a score out of 10 today of, what do you think I'm gonna score it, Jess?
9.1.
I'm not quite gonna go into the 9s. Oh, I will. 9 is exceptional. Was it exceptional? Yeah. No, I'm gonna go 8.9. 8.9, not quite a 9. This is just like really chuffing good food. 9s for me is like crazy good. This is, but however, it's not detract away from the point that this is exceptional. Chicken. That was better than the first one.
You just said it wasn't in the exceptional, and then you said it is exceptional.
I'm a walking contradiction. It wasn't, I didn't have that magic. Yeah, it did. 9 out of 10. First time ever. That was better than the first one. Right, I'm gonna bounce with my Hydro Peckham Spring. That was a really cool review. I enjoyed that one. Exeter, thanks for having me. And also a big shout out to the firearms unit that pulled us over on the way in. Legends. They actually brought us into the car park. Massive shout out to you boys. I'll put a picture of us together in the comments below. Go and check it out. And that, ladies and gentlemen, was another review.